Welcome to ICW's SNAP training on uploading submissions. Learn the steps to complete an application that was uploaded from your agency management system or uploaded using SNAP's app reader. You can use the SNAP Upload Guide found in the Agency Resource Center to learn how to pull in data from your own agency management system. You'll see how to upload into SNAP directly from your Vertafore or Applied Agency Management System and save time. Or if you have another management system, you can use a PDF Accord application with SNAP's direct upload to more quickly move information into SNAP. In this training demonstration, we'll review the steps to complete any uploaded application in SNAP and speed the quoting process. You'll learn how to enter additional fields after the upload to complete the submission for underwriting. And you'll see how instant quote options on eligible submissions will speed the quoting process without an underwriter. When the SNAP homepage appears, you have immediate access to view your submissions, whether you upload from your agency management system through Vertafore or Applied, or use the direct submission upload or entry in SNAP. You can follow the status of your submission as it moves through the underwriting process. To use the Accord Upload feature, click New Submission, found in the homepage header. You can upload an Accord application that is stored as a PDF file from anywhere on your computer or network. In the New Submission window, click the box for Upload from an Accord application to enable the Browse button. Click the Select File to Upload button to search for your PDF document. Locate and select the Accord application PDF file and then click Open. You have the option now to pre-qualify and/or check clearance before you upload the Accord app, or at any point while the submission is in draft status. Enter the optional Needed By date and click the Create Application button to start the upload. This message appears to let you know the upload has started. Feel free to do other work in SNAP to upload another application or check different submissions. An alert appears to notify you that the upload completed. But you have the option to click Yes to view and complete the application now, or opt for No and continue with other work. Let's get started. The left nav pane displays the application link with 5 sublinks to complete your submission. Each sublink indicates the number of fields to be completed. The Submit button on the status bar is active when all mandatory entry is completed. Mandatory fields are the minimum required to reserve the market and are marked with a red asterisk. Just below the status bar at the top of each page, you'll see a count of the red asterisks that, when clicked, navigates your cursor to the next required field. You can see the same navigation help when you click the blue counter next to the sublink. Click it and watch as the cursor moves to the next field and the area glows gold. Try it again and the screen will scroll up or down as needed to display the next required field. For submissions uploaded from an Accord application, a snippet of the entry field from the application is available for viewing. Clicking inside the field displays the snippet icon when there's data to view. And a second click on the Snippet Viewer icon will show a snapshot of the Accord application field. Once the Snippet Viewer is open, clicking on other fields displays each snippet. Completing all mandatory fields on a form updates the tab. Completed forms show no required fields remaining. Click the Locations Class Code sublink to open the next page. Review the application. SNAP will let you know if your uploaded information is incomplete or does not meet SNAP field requirements. Look for the red outline to indicate a field that needs your review. Verify the uploaded locations and class codes for accuracy. All uploads bring forward the state and 3- or 4-digit class code. If the class code has only one description, it will appear automatically. For class codes with multiple descriptions, you can select the description code. If the description field is not completed, click the class code field to select the appropriate class code description. SNAP pre-fills the state and code from your upload information and displays all available options for each class code description. Locate and then click the appropriate description. You can add additional locations, class codes, and DBAs to those that were uploaded. You can add or remove rows by clicking either the plus sign or trash can icon in the section headers. Then complete all required fields for the page. An uploaded submission completes the Accord page. You may just have to answer a few additional questions or owner information. Snap will let you know if there are any required fields. The next sublink displays the Supplemental Info page, where you will be asked some specific business questions. Options for Instant Quote also appear here. For more information about IQ features, see the Instant Quote training demo. Checking the box displays additional IQ questions. If you bypass this step, Snap still will review your submission for IQ eligibility when submitted. Depending on the effective date of your submission, you will see one or two options for Indicate Desired Action. For submissions entered more than 60 days ahead of the effective date, an option will appear to bypass the questions on the Supplemental tab to reserve the market. Selecting this option will enable the Application Submit button. When you click Submit, Snap will evaluate the submission for IQ eligibility immediately. For submissions entered less than 60 days ahead of the effective date, the bypass option is not available. When you select the option to complete the required questions on the Supplemental tab now, all the Supplemental Info sublink questions appear immediately. Complete the questions and the Submit button will be enabled. Let's complete the required questions now. Again, you'll want to complete all required fields for the Supplemental Info sublink. You can hover on a field for additional helpful information in completing the Supplemental Info. The Experience sublink is the last page and does not contain mandatory entry fields. Information from your agency management system or the Accord PDF may upload into this area. If the page is not complete, ICW Group Underwriting will finish it for you from the loss run documents you attached before submitting. Now that all the required fields are completed, the Submit button is active. Before clicking the Submit button, please attach the 4 years of currently valued loss runs for the insured, valued within 120 days of the effective date. For an IQ-eligible submission, currently valued loss runs are only required when binding. To start this step, click the Collaboration icon. When the Collaboration window opens, click New to upload your loss run attachments. The Submit button is still viewable and available when you're ready. Again, if your submission is eligible for Instant Quote, attaching a loss run is not required until binding. With the loss run added, you're ready to click Submit on the application page. Let's go. You can submit an application up to 120 days prior to the effective date. Confirm your actions by clicking Yes. Your uploaded application has been submitted to ICW Group Underwriting and moves from the draft status into the submitted status group. On the home page, you'll see the submission now has the status of submitted. If your submission is eligible for Instant Quote, it will automatically be rated at this time, and a proposal will instantly be presented to you without underwriting intervention. For non-IQ submissions, ICW Group Underwriting will perform final clearance and begin their evaluation. When cleared of prior submissions, your submission moves to the clear status. When ICW Group Underwriting attaches quote proposals to your submission, Snap automatically notifies you via email. You'll be able to click the link in the email to access the submission and the proposal directly. Or you may log into Snap, then locate and open the submission and view the quote from the left nav. You can also click the Recent Activity entry to open the submission and the proposal. Clicking the notification bell icon is one of the ways to open the submission and the proposal quickly. The cover letter and the quote appear as one document on separate pages. Use the scroll bar to navigate through the document. Use the document tools to print the quote letter and proposal, or download as PDF documents to email or upload into your agency management system. After reviewing the quote with the insured, you can select the Request to Bind option right from within the quote. If your submission was an instant quote, after reviewing the quote with the insured, you will be able to select the Begin Binding button and quickly complete the process online. You'll receive a policy number without underwriting intervention. Snap notifies the underwriting team through email that you have requested binding on a submission. When you collaborate with underwriting for additional quoted options on the submission, each individual proposal will be named and accessible from the left nav quote sublink. Documents can be viewed at any time unless they have been withdrawn. The status bar lets you know where each proposal is in the underwriting process. If your submission is processed as an instant quote, the Create Proposal button will be available in the Actions dropdown to create new proposals with optional payment plans, without underwriting assistance. You can review the Instant Quote training module for more information on this feature. Uploading a submission from your agency management system through Vertafore, Applied, or directly from within Snap saves you valuable entry time. Checking clearance or pre-qualifying your submission in Snap from minimal information saves you even more time. With just a few clicks, your uploaded application is submitted to underwriting for processing, or if eligible for instant quote, you complete the process online immediately without underwriting intervention. We hope this video answered your questions. If you still need assistance, we're happy to help. See our Snap resource area for additional videos and guides at icwgroup.com/snap or simply call your ICW Group Business Development Underwriter. Thanks for watching.